So I just got married and my wife says that my fridge is a total mess. But I mean, yeah, I guess I can see it. So I'm gonna surprise her and organize this entire thing, and she won't know what to do with me after that. All right, let's get everything out of the fridge. Now that we have the fridge clean, time to put some things away. So I'm gonna start with the juices. And next, we're gonna start with the tub. Let's go ahead and empty some grapes in there. Our grape drawer is gonna go right. Actually, let's do the middle. No, you know what? Let's do the top. Overflowing a little bit. How about some eggs? It's always good to have eggs easily accessible. Let's make a bin for that right here. All right. We'll do a snack one. We can do a butter one. Butter goes there. There's another snack. Some yogurt. Those can go in there. Little knickknacks of crescent rolls. These can go in a bin. All the cheese, I'm actually just gonna put up here. Keep that all together. I'm sure I have more of it somewhere. Biscuits I can put in here as well. All right. Apples. Bunch of apples. All right. So we got some fruit, some apples, got some snacks. Those can go right there. That's all. It's all 8. Okay. So now we can just fill things in as needed. Kind of have a bunch of random things, so cans can go down there. Anything that's small can go up there. I use these for different mixed drinks. I'm gonna keep that up there separate. And some more fruit. Keep strawberries there. And we got some strawberry syrup. You know, you always need that. And then, you know, your leftovers. We can kind of keep our leftovers there. This is more leftovers. Some lettuce. So really just kind of cleans it up a little bit. Makes things more easy to see. I'm gonna put tortillas down here. And then some ginger and the lemons. These are for our juice shots. So I'll keep those separate. And then some more leftovers, chicken. Keep that there. And then another lemon and some cheese. And we are all set. Some garlic. So there we go. It looked a lot more messy, and now everything's pretty easily accessible. Good job. Try it out with yours.